Okay, this is Mrs. Wilcoskis in the library. It is April 17th, 2017, and this video is on how to make a lithopane using your own image, whether that image is a photograph or a line drawing, whatever. As long as you have it as a image file like a JPEG or a GIF, we're going to show you how to make it into a customized lithopane. So I'm on Thingiverse, and you have to make an account on Thingiverse first. It's free. You just sign up. And then from inside Thingiverse, this is the landing page. Actually, that's the landing page. I'm going to type in Lithopane. Okay. And they have a Lithopane maker in Thingiverse. So that's what we're going to use. So I'm going to click on this customizable Lithopane, and it's the one made by MakerBot, who owns Thingiverse. So from here, it looks like you're just going to make a customizable lithopane of Mona Lisa, but we're actually going to go into Open in Customizer. And this is where you grab your image. Let's see, where do I grab my image? Choose file, sorry. So I'm going to pick an image. I'm just going to use one of the stock images that's on the computer, and I'm going to do the desert. Okay, you have a couple options. You can do it in a 4:3 ratio or a 16:19 ratio. Move it around. If you've got, it really doesn't matter. It just matters where you want that little hole. So if the picture was long ways, you would want the hole up here. So you can just move, you'll see in just a second, just moves that little hole, the little hanger thing. Okay, let's do large. If we end up making it smaller, that's a whole nother issue. We're going to do large because it's going to give us the best resolution. Okay, we're going to invert colors, and that's going to make the depth of the medium inverted so that more light comes through on the light parts and less light comes through on the dark parts. Okay, let's go into adjustments. I think you could take the hole off. Actually, let's try that. I always say that. Let's make sure. There you go. You can take the hole off if you really don't want a hole. If you don't want to hang it for some reason, you wanted to use it for something else. Okay, but all the rest of the stuff, you can change the whole diameter here, what you want. This is where I want you to keep number of layers 12. This used not to be a part of the default, and I messed around a long time trying to figure out what is the perfect number of layers, and I never could figure it out on my own, but somebody else did. This works so beautifully, but I want you to change the layer height to 0.1. The thinner, the better. It's the better resolution, and we have a machine that will do a better resolution, so let's use it. So you need to change it to layer height of 0.1. It'll give us a much better product. Twice as good because the resolution is twice as better. And then we're going to create this thing. And we want to create a thing. We do not need to publish it, but you can call it Lithopane. And what I really want you to do is use your name. Okay, last name, first name, whatever, something for me to find you. Create thing. Going to my queue. Okay, so it's going to take a few minutes for it to work. I'll go ahead and go to my queue so you can see what it looks like in your queue. Okay, this is all these other ones that I've gotten done. So let's see, I'm trying to remember how to download these. I need to, there we go. Let me take you back to once it's done, view the thing, I need you to download the files. It's going to download as a zip file. You need to extract and you need to go in and send me the file. It's an STL file. That's the only file I need. I want you to rename it something like this. And that's the file that you need to share with me in the Google folder. So you take that file and you upload it into your Google Drive, and that's a file that I need. I know that's a lot of steps. So drag your viewing button, go back, a minute and watch that again. You're going to have to make it. You're going to have to download it. You're going to have to extract the zip files and send me just the STL file. I don't want the whole zip file. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help.